guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we're going to be designing our Web3 graphics, just as I promised on my previous video. This particular skill is very essential, so without further ado, let's get started. So on my screen here, I'll just show you around first before we start whatever. Now I will just look at this particular, this is what we're going to be designing, and also this one, we're going to be getting this one as well. 1080 by 720. So if I get my rectangle shape and I put it this way, I'll come to here because I set it to pixel. Your own might not have this px, so all I have to do is select empty space here. Then from this unit you can change it from inches or from centimeters to pixels. Now on this particular rectangle, I'm just going to change it to 1080 by 720. I'm going to use this particular color. Okay, the next thing is to do here is I'll pick out my ellipse tool and I'll just draw a shape like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill it in. We're going to fill it in with this blue. We're going to fill it with this blue. You can see the color shade there. So the next thing is, instead of removing the outline here, we're going to increase it because we're going to use that outline. This is what we're trying to achieve by that outline. You can see at this particular edge, you can see there's this tiny edge that this particular shape has. So separate this outline from this fill shape. To do that, you have to press on your keyboard Ctrl Shift Q, Ctrl Shift Q, and now how this outline has its own shapes, the way it is. So now what I'm going to do is reduce this particular fill inside to be at the edge, meaning at the edge, this right here, this here is going to be at this place. You can see where I'm clicking on that clock. So now that is what we're doing here. The next thing is to do here is I think we're going to fill the middle. Yeah, you know how to do that. So press your G button or you come to this place, you fill an interactive tool. So just draw it this way and click on here, unify, and change this one to blue and this edge to white. We're not going to transparent yet, so we want to make sure this outline, this black outline, feels like this exact what we're seeing over here, exact thing here. I'll pick a random shape, can create a new one, or I'll just pick the one I have here already. I'll duplicate it, that's why you have it here. So I'll pick my interactive tool by pressing G again. So zoom in and just draw it this way. As I draw it this way, I'm going to create a series of fill on it so that it can give me that blend that I want. Alright, so hope you're not lost already. You just have to double click it on that area. So I'll just adjust this point. I think this is better. So I'll highlight everything by clicking on the first box and holding my shift down and click on the last box, and I'll just fill it with this blue. Alright, that's done. I'll select the boxes in between. This is one. Hold down your control and press the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So I'm going to fill that as white. So it's giving me this pattern. Alright, so I'm done with that. What I'm going to do is this outline, this black, once I select it, I'll copy this fill into that one. So Ctrl Shift A. Some of you might not have set this copy property on your CorelDRAW, but I have a different tutorial on how to do that. But for some of you who cannot do that right now, let me show you the easy way. Just zoom in here, then you click on this, right click and drag it on this particular box. You can see my cursor. I'll release the right click, don't left click, right click on it and drop it. You see copy fill here. Alright, the same thing. All right, so now we have got that. We can now delete this. We don't need it anymore. Now we activate the interactive tool. Sorry for that. Interactive tool, which is the G, and you can see that it's on horizontal. I'll just make sure I manipulate it so that it can give me exactly what I want. Okay, so I haven't done that. This is it, guys. This is it. This is what we're looking for. All right, so the next thing for us to do here is we are going to make it transparent. All right, this particular shape in the middle here, I'm going to duplicate it again. Still on this particular shape, activate your interactive fill to, so double click it. So I'm still going to fill it with that blue. Where is that blue? Oh, it's off. Okay, what we're going to do is head on to your header over here and select effect. Come to blur, Gaussian blur, and we're going to make sure we have some something of this nature. Okay, fine. So I will leave it that way. Bring this particular one we created first, bring it up by pressing shift page up on your keyboard. Shift page up, then we'll bring it down. Then we're going to activate our transparent tool and blend it this way. You can see we are getting what we want. I will leave it at 70. Fine. Now let's move forward. I group everything together, double it, and put it over here again, just as we have it up there. The blue is more darker compared to the one I have over there, so I'll select these two and still paint this something of this nature. All right, I want to get this, so let's move forward. And this particular blue, I'm not done with you yet. So this particular one, this and this, I select three of them together, right click on it, power clip, and place it inside that object. Now I will ungroup this. Let me delete one and ungroup this. Then I'll click on this blue, select my transparent. Now this time around we're going to draw this transparency on it and come to this side, select this particular cycle, then place it very well on the middle depth inside right now. It's too transparent. It's too transparent. Okay, fine. Now we have it. Now group it and just duplicate it over here. Alright, now I will go out of here, finished, click on finish. Now you see it. Now the next thing for us to do is just type in, and we're done already. So the next thing is to bring this here and come go to that bitmap effect and blur, and go to Gaussian blur in order to make that blurrish stuff to come out very well. Okay, fine, I'm okay with this. The next thing is I will duplicate it here again. Okay, activate that transparent tools, and I'm trying to blend this way. Yeah, you can see it. 1075. Okay, 80 is okay. Now next thing is I will increase it, duplicate it as well. Boom, we're done already. So select everything. Sorry for this pop-up. Select everything and power clip as well again into that box. Next thing is just the typing. I will not waste much time on that typing. Just to copy this one that already been typed, and just duplicate it over here, and this OKX and O'Shea coin, I'll just do it and duplicate it over here. Also, for those of you who don't have that OKS logo, or what I'm going to do is let me just recreate it in present. It's as simple as what you know already. Okay, so the next thing is sorry for my audio. My audio might sound much rough. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for that. It's just the environment where I am currently now. So let's move forward. Just group everything together and voila. I have my Abito shaker of the OKX. Alright, right click on it to remove the outline, and I have this OKS. You can see it's as simple as that. Then I will not go give myself that stress of creating Oshecoin. Alright, so I will just Oshecoin logo still remain the way it is. So just copy it and put it here. Very fast. Now the next thing is to create that box, that scientific symbol. So what I'm going to do is, you already know how to do this. Just for you to, you can pick your shape tools, either freehand, bezier, pen tools, whatever to get it done. I'll pick my rectangle shape. This is how to do it, and boom, I got what I want. The next thing is that I'm going to I'm going to color this particular line in order for me to differentiate it from the previous black that is on the board. So I'll just right click on the color that I want to change it to. Okay, fine. I think this is okay. Then I will just curve this particular object, curve it, and I'll activate my shape tools. Then I'll just drag it over here. It mustn't be perfect, guys. Don't stress yourself. It mustn't be perfect. It mustn't be perfect. Okay, so that is one. I'll double it by pressing plus on my keyboard, and I'm going to drag it this way, free and draw it this way, boom, and just plus it and rotate, mirror it. Fine, we've gotten what we want on this. To make the edges round, you have to activate your outline. So press F12 as a short key, and I'll just make it instead of 0.5 to be 1, and curve, corner, edge, line cast, behind field, scale with object. And if you want to make it more interesting, 1.5 is too big, so I like it at that one. So okay, group it, and let's go. So to do this other one here, remember I was grouping it. So what we're going to do is we now create an ellipse tool. You draw a circle here, and you put that those cardinal points. You can just increase this a bit because they're not of same size, and this a little bit. Okay, fine. So here I'm going to be copying the, so let me very fast. Control Shift A to copy the fill of this. Control Shift. You see that the line we join over here are not that thick enough like the one we have on board. So now the next thing is for us to do here is to make sure this line is thicker. Change it to 1 point, and boom. I think it's too thick. You can make it 0.75. It's okay. Now remember, it's black, not this pink color. Right, now I'm done with that. Alright guys, so you can see it's very catchy. Make sure you like and share this particular tutorial, because I'm going to upload the following on this particular design. Still on the matter of Web3 graphics. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.